Hey everyone! If your Dropbox app keeps crashing on Windows 11 in 2026, like it won't open, freezes, or closes instantly, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox crashing step by step. First, open Dropbox and restart your computer. This clears temporary system bugs. Next, open Task Manager and close all Dropbox processes. I mean, this ensures a clean restart of the app. Now, make sure Dropbox is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions often crash on Windows 11. After that, check for Windows updates. System updates fix compatibility issues. Next, clear Dropbox cache files. Corrupted cache can cause freezing or crashes. Now check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes they block Dropbox and cause crashes. After that, uninstall and reinstall Dropbox. This fixes broken installation files. Finally, check your system compatibility with Dropbox requirements. Unsupported settings can also cause issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox app crashing on Windows 11 in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your app should start working smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for beginners. Hey, everyone.